Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you've done your paper number 1 accounting exams really well. Okay, this is a time to move on from paper 1 to paper 2. Whatever you have written, whatever the paper it may be, it is going to be, you are going to be secure at least 50 plus or the 60 plus or the 70 plus marks. Make sure in paper number 2 you are focusing hereafter. Yes, we will quickly go with an MTP analysis as it is a new syllabus, and then we'll quickly give you the study plan. 1.5 days study plan we have provided, that we will see. What they have asked you in the 3 MTPs is we have tried to bifurcate into direct question and case based. Direct question is like a cakewalk for us. If you know all the provisions correctly, we can easily write it. For the case study, we need to add some masala, some magic over it, and we need to write it over further. Your first chapter, it is an easy chapter, Indian regulatory framework, average 6 marks, direct question they are asking. Then question number 2 comes to Indian Contract Act. They are asking for 18 marks on an average. 18 marks they are asking a direct question, and then a case based question from 15 to 18 marks. Equally they are asking. So on an average 32 marks is from which part? This Indian Contract Act part. Then Sale of Goods Act. This Sale of Goods Act, direct question can also be tested and the case based question also be tested. They are more testing on the case based area of 2 questions, that is 14 mark. 8 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 6 plus 6 plus 4. They can be do it in any permutation combination. So it is our 21 mark. For this you need to study 4 units. Okay, then come to Indian partnership. You are only having 3 units. You will get on an average 20 marks. They are short they are asking. That too they are asking majorly on direct question area. Okay, the case based is very much lesser in Indian partnership act. Then come to liability, LLP. In LLP they are asking only direct question, no case based question. So direct question like Indian regulatory framework, LLP and partnership will give you more advantage to score 40 plus or 50 plus marks. Then sixth one, Companies Act. Companies Act, only 7 mark is direct question, 14 mark is case based. It is a very small chapter which you are having in your syllabus. So make sure you are focusing on this area to secure 60 plus marks. If you study all this whatever which I am going to tell you further, you can easily secure 60 plus marks by writing a neat good presentation. Then come to chapter number 7, Negotiable Instruments Act. Surely one direct question or 2 direct question, 4 plus 3 criteria or 3 plus 4 criteria, and then one case based question. They may be ask you for 7 marks, they may be ask you for 6 marks, it can be a fluctuate. So there is a 14 mark. This is also easier thing, Negotiable Instrument Act. On an average, this one total marks they may be tested in a direct question is 64, 56, 58, 62, 67, 53. This is direct, this is case based, direct, case based, direct, case based. So it means direct question sometimes prevails over. Okay, average marks in direct question is 63, average marks in case study is 57. Now tell me whether this paper is very difficult for you to attend, because you are having a direct mark of 63 marks. Will you say that this paper is very much difficult for you? No. If you study the provisions correctly, if you know how to write the law, if you know how to write it in a legal language, then this paper is going to be an exemption paper for you. Now we'll quickly go for an 1.5 days study plan. In this 1.5 days study plan, many of them say it is a 1.5 days, 24 hours plus half a day, it is 32 hours. No, you should not have that kind of time to be prepared. The only one time which you are having to prepare is effective hours of learning is 20 hours. That's how the maximum learning time you are having. 20 to 21 hours is an effective learning hours. Okay, we could not study for 24 hours a day. Okay, so first thing, today as accounting exam is over, you will be somehow tired. I will assume you will reach the home by 7 p.m. till 10 p.m. You will study this 2 act. One is Indian regulatory framework to know the law. If you want to refer the video, you can surely refer. Then LLP video, we have uploaded a written writing practice batch for partnership and LLP. Kindly refer that. So these 2 things will give you somewhere around 6 marks and this 6 marks. So total 12 marks you will secure today. Okay, by preparing all the direct question. Then tomorrow early morning you will wake up at 6 a.m. till 9 a.m. you will quickly revise unit 1 to 6 of Indian Contract Act, and then take a break of 1 hour, do your breakfast, come back and do it from 10 to 12, unit 7 to 9 you will do. If you done this, 28 marks to 32 marks is secured. Okay, then question number uh, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. you will do Indian Partnership Act unit 1 to 3. You still do Indian Partnership Act, because I am not keep this point as for Indian Companies Act 2013. I will keep the Companies Act on the exam day. It is more and more crucial. Okay, then from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. you will do Negotiable Instruments Act fully. A case based question is there, a direct question can be tested, so make sure you're doing a Negotiable Instrument Act as a next priority. And then go for Sale of Goods Act unit 3 and 4 directly, because this is not the time to study refreshing from the scratch. You just need to revise it at the time. You can directly revise from unit 3 and 4. Unit 1 and 2 you can revise it later, because you may expect a case based question over there or direct question from this place, so you can easily do it on the exam day. What you need to do, that's a more crucial. Go to the bed early at 11 a.m. and wake up at 6 a.m. Still you are having a 7 hours of sleep, and then you will start with 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Almost 4 hours I have keenly given, separately given for your Companies Act, which is going to come for how many marks? 21 marks. That too 7 plus 4, 14, 21 marks is going to be there. On the exam day, you are going to study 100% syllabus of the Companies Act, and when whatever they are going to ask you, you will going to write it. Okay, that 21 marks you will study. Then from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. you will study. If you have time, just study Sale of Goods Act unit 1 and 2. Okay, then what are the video references we are having? Try to give you Indian Regulatory Framework, already uploaded full classes, 1.5 days. If you want, you can quickly revise it by watching 1.25x speed. And writing practice of companies is there, Negotiable Instruments Act there, Partnership Act is there. Okay, then third, certified copy video. This is under the old syllabus we have done. This will give you an idea how you need to write your law paper. This I have given in the very first description, in the link below. You can surely check out this video. Okay, this will help you to make sure you are scoring 60 plus marks in the upcoming this June 2024 examination. All the best for your preparation. We are with you, so study well, prepare well. Signing off of Sudarshan.